All right, so we are looking at. Ooh, I just realized the title on this is wrong. Quadratic paragraphs. Okay, so we're looking at quadratic paragraphs. So the A out front just tells me if it opens up or down. We're not going to worry about that very much, so we don't really need to mess with that. But we do need to mess with H and K. Okay, so H is always inside the parentheses. So whatever number is inside the parentheses is your horizontal shift. And K, the number out back, is always your vertical shift. So what that means is, if I took just a basic parent function like that, then I can shift it like over and up by changing those H and K values in my function. Okay, so what you have to be able to do is just very simply look at a function and tell me where it would go. Okay, so like here in this H box, going from just a regular old x squared to now x minus 4 inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses is a horizontal shift, and it actually moves it in the opposite direction you would think because of this negative that's in the original formula. So this is actually going to shift us right 4. Okay. Shifting from a regular 3x squared to 3x plus 2. So again, it's going to shift it in the opposite direction you would think. So this one's actually going to go left 4. Okay, so then on the last one, going from negative x to negative x plus 3, it's going to be left 3. So the H is a horizontal shift in the opposite direction. Okay, so horizontal shift in the opposite direction. That's what you need to remember about H. Okay, K is on the outside of the parentheses. It's at the end, so it would look like these numbers back here. Okay, so going from a regular x squared to a plus 5 outside, that's going to be a vertical shift, and it's going to go the direction you would think. So plus 5 is going to make you go up 5. Okay, the minus 3, or excuse me, the minus 10 on the second line would make me go down 10. And then the minus 4 on the last row would make me go down 4. Okay? So K is a vertical shift in the same direction, you would think. Okay? So go ahead and pause the video. Do the 4 try these down below. Some of them will have 2 shifts. So if there's a number inside the parentheses and another number outside the parentheses, then there might be 2 shifts. So you might have to go left and up or right and down or anything like that. Okay? So go ahead and pause the video, do the 4 try these problems, and then unpause when you're ready for me. Okay, so inside the parentheses is horizontal. So that piece right there is going to make me go right 3 because it's opposite what I would think. And then the number outside the parentheses is vertical, exactly how I would think. So I would go up 10. So I would just say right 3 up 10. That's it. Okay, number 2, inside the parentheses, opposite what I think. That's left 4. Outside the parentheses, exactly how I would think. Down 10. Or excuse me, 2. I don't know why I said 10. Number 3, there's nothing inside the parentheses with the x squared, so there's no horizontal shift. But the vertical shift tells me to go up 5. Okay? So there's only 1 shift on that one. And then number 4, inside the parentheses, my vertical shift, or excuse me, my horizontal shift, the opposite way I would think, would make me go right 9. And then there is no vertical shift. So that's that.